The Logitech G305 Lightspeed is a highly popular, budget-friendly, wireless gaming mouse celebrated for its top-tier performance, reliability and compact design. This is the basic overview of this very budget-friendly mouse, gaming mouse, which is meant for those who don't want to spend too much on gaming mouse but still get very good performance thanks to the hero sensor that this mouse has. High accuracy optical tracking from 200 to 12,000 dpi with zero smoothing and filtering, so very good sensor. And Lightspeed wireless, this basically means that it's ultra fast 1 milliseconds report rate, which delivers a lag-free performance matching weird mice. Another key feature that you can see here on the box is the battery life. It runs on single AA battery for up to 250 hours. Of course, it depends on the quality of the battery that you're using. And it is ultra lightweight. It has 6 programmable buttons and definitely a gaming mouse that's worth taking a look. And now let's continue with the first unboxing and first consumer impressions that I have with the G305 Lightspeed. So it is the first time I'm opening the box and we're doing this together with you guys. So my first consumer impressions would be unfiltered. As you can see, it is nicely packaged, black box. And now let's see what is inside the box. Hopefully there's a mouse inside, a gaming one. And here it is. Here is the mouse, and let's put it on the side for a second and see what else is inside the box. Some leaflets, information, I guess. Nobody cares about that. I see a battery inside. Good job, Logitech, again, for including a battery in the box. Let's fully open the box and see what's inside. Nothing else in the box, so let's see what we have here. And here is your cell battery, and we have a cable inside. USB-A. I'm not quite sure what it is used for, but I'll definitely check after that. Now I'm super excited to see the mouse itself and compare it with some of the, actually my current mouse, the Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse, and see how does it compare size-wise and weight and looks, of course. And here is the mouse. So let's give it a full tour so you can take a look at it. Here's the switch, on and off switch. Here is the sensor. Nice Logitech logo, the model, nicely padded, it's softly padded, so I assume it would be quite, noise free, at least on this particular desk. So pretty standard mouse. And here I have the Lenovo Yoga Pro mouse, just for a comparison. It is smaller than the Lenovo Yoga Pro, it is also lighter, but it feels nice in the hand. It has like a soft touch to it. And now let's shut up and listen to the clicks of the buttons and the scroll wheel. The left and right are quite loud, but I have to say they're pleasantly loud, very clear sound. Very nice clicks, especially for gamers. And now the scroll wheel. Again, it's not the most silent that I've tested, but it feels quality made, so it's definitely one of the nicer sounds that I've heard from mouse in this budget. And now this small button, which should be the DPI switch. Again, I would say it's a bit louder than my personal taste. And now the side buttons. They are okay. So yeah, you can hear it. It's not the most silent mouse, but I assume for most gamers, they don't want to use the most silent mouse on the market. They want to hear their clicks, so they know they have some feedback not only from the movement of the buttons but also from the clicks. So that's definitely not a bad feature here. And now I want to see, where do I put the battery? I haven't checked online, and it would be the first time that I'm doing this. So let's do it together. So in order to change the battery, you have this small pattern right here, which helps you slide this part. And here's the battery compartment and the USB dongle that you can use to connect this mouse. Here it is, the USB dongle, pretty standard. And here you put the battery, which again, thanks Logitech for including the battery. I'll put it after that, and I'll definitely test the mouse today. And this is basically it, the unboxing and my first impressions from the mouse. I have already shared the most important about this mouse. You saw the main features and specification. And what's next? What's next is to test the mouse and provide you with relevant feedback. How does it perform, especially in the day-to-day use for office work, for gaming? I think it would be a very versatile mouse. It looks nice, it feels quality made, and for me personally, it is the right size and it is very clean. It has very clean design. So I'll definitely give it a try, and I have some doubts that this may become one of my favorite mouse to use. But for now, I'll stick to my Lenovo Yoga Pro, which is a fantastic mouse. I totally love this mouse. I'm using it for many months now, and I love it just because of its look, its comfort, and the long battery life. Until the full review, stay tuned, subscribe for the channel. A lot of other interesting reviews are available, and very soon I'll post more information in the next video about the performance of the Logitech G305 Lightspeed.